When you receive your Eliminator kit, the box will include the Eliminator injection device, which is 31 inches long, or you can opt for the Eliminator Mini, which is 18 inches long. You will also receive a pressure regulator and gauge with replacement gaskets, a 25-foot hose to connect the canister to the Eliminator wand, a clear flexible extension tube that can be attached to the Eliminator for vole treatment, a soil-piercing probe for pocket gopher and mold control, and the operator's manual. Like the IGI carbon dioxide label, the operator's manual for the Eliminator includes critical information. PMPs should be sure to read and understand both documents before every application. According to the label, the Eliminator is the only injection device approved to be used with IGI CO2 powered by Eliminator. The Eliminator's unique design features a tube within a tube. When the handle at the top is perpendicular to the grips, the ports in the tip are closed. This prevents clogging when the device is inserted into a burrow system. Once the tip is placed inside the burrow's entrance, the PMP can turn the top to a parallel position with the grips and open the ports. The 31-inch Eliminator minimizes kneeling and is perfect for straight vertical burrow systems. With the extra length, PMPs can stand up comfortably and apply carbon dioxide per the label directions. The entire rod can also be inserted into the burrow to introduce the gas into the heart of the system. The 18-inch Eliminator Mini is useful to access burrows in tight spaces obstructed by fences, shrubs, or buildings. IGI CO2 can be used to treat burrows next to occupied municipal, residential, and commercial buildings. The included pressure regulator and gauge work on carbon dioxide, nothing else. It's strictly meant for the IGI CO2 system, and the system will not operate without it. Take care when using, storing, and transporting the regulator. To set up the Eliminator system, take one end of the 25-foot hose and attach it to the ball valve on the Eliminator. The end of the regulator attaches to the cylinder of compressed carbon dioxide. Make sure the gasket is in place to make the connection, and always use a wrench to ensure connections are tight. The other end of the hose attaches to a common quick connect at one end of the regulator. Do not turn the gas on until all connections are made. Setting the gas flow rate and pressure is done in 3 steps. Turn the cylinder on, turn the gas valve on the control arm to parallel with the control arm to turn on the gas, and adjust the flow rate using the regulator. Once the valve is on, you'll hear the CO2 flow and be able to adjust the flow rate. The red numbers on the gauge indicate liters per minute and can be controlled with the adjustment screw on the side of the regulator. Turning the adjustment screw clockwise increases flow rate, and counterclockwise decreases it. The IGI CO2 label specifies the pressure, flow rate, and duration for each pest species. After the pressure is set, turn the valve off until it's ready to use again. The IGI system will not work without the regulator, so PMPs should take extra care to protect it. When not in use, the regulator should be stored in a protective case. Material like bubble wrap can also be used if a case is not available. It's a good idea to have a second regulator on hand as a backup. Along with what's included in the kit, PMPs can purchase additional equipment to further optimize their Eliminator. Attaching the regulator to a splitter or manifold allows PMPs to use multiple hoses at a time from a single CO2 cylinder. Application duration time ranges from 45 seconds to 3 minutes per burrow hole, and utilizing several Eliminators at once can speed up the process. A custom hand cart is also available, designed with 2 storage tubes for the Eliminator and soil probe, a hose storage area, and space to mount a shovel. It includes a retractable handle in the back so PMPs can easily transport it to a job site. The cart fits a 15 or 20-pound cylinder. 50-pound cylinders are also compatible with the Eliminator. Contact the sales and technical support team at Eliminator to learn more about additional equipment and strategic recommendations for how to implement IGI CO2 for your specific pest problems. As with all pesticide products, be sure to read and follow the entire label whenever IGI CO2 is used. For more information about IGI CO2, refer to one of our additional videos or contact Eliminator's unrivaled sales and technical support team. With a combined 150 years of experience, these industry experts are here to provide intelligent solutions for even the toughest pest problems.